Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today I'm going to share with you the best deals I grabbed over at Walgreens for the week. So these deals started on Sunday, June 27th, and I was able to get all of these items for free and made a couple dollars buying it all. So I'm going to walk you through step by step exactly how I did these deals, as well as show you how I used my spend 20, get $5 in Walgreens cash digital booster. Now, I actually had quite a few of the Catalina's print this week for spend 25, get 7, or spend 35, get 8, but I have yet to use those this week. So the deals that I'm going to tell you about are the deals that I did yesterday on Sunday. Hopefully all of these deals are still good. As always, check your cashback apps like Ibotta and Shopkick and make sure the deals that I am talking about are still valid before you go out and do the deal. All right, so I'm going to start over here on my left and work my way this way. This was my spend 20, get $5 in Walgreens cash booster deal, so I'll tell you about that one last. If you're new here, welcome. So glad that you're here. If you are not already subscribed, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. All right, so the first one I'm going to tell you about, actually, I placed as a curbside order and it didn't work out perfectly, but it worked out just fine. So I'm going to tell you how the deal was supposed to go and then how the deal went. So there are these Suave shampoo and conditioners that are priced at $1 each. Now, a lot of stores don't carry this, or at least in my area, a lot of stores don't carry the $1 product. So I actually placed this as a curbside order at a store that was a little bit farther away. I purchased 2 of them for $1 each, so that's $2. And there was a digital coupon for $2 off too, making both of them completely free. But once I submitted my curbside order, the store only had 1 of these. So I only got 1, but that coupon still did come off, making 1 free. So I didn't pay anything for the 1, but I did only get 1 and not 2. So the next deal that I did, I was messing around in my digital coupons on the Walgreens app, looking for the highest value coupons, trying to put together the best deals for you guys. And I saw a couple of high value coupons for the Bulldog products. One was a $6 off 2 digital coupon. The other one was a Walgreens coupon for $3 off. And so it would apply to both products. So what I did is I grabbed 2 of the Bulldog body washes. These are priced at $7.49 each. So 2 of them totals $14.98. Now I had the $6 off 2 manufacturers digital coupon, as well as the $3 off 1 Walgreens coupon. So that will come off twice. So that'll be $3 off of this one, $3 off of this one. So $12 total in coupons, making these $2.98 or just $1.49 each. So a great price if you like the Bulldog brand products. And you can do that with almost any of the Bulldog products this week. I just grabbed the body wash because I thought that's what my household would use. If you are placing these deals as online or curbside deals, you can try the code TRYAGAIN15 to score a little bit of extra money off of your total. So with that code, if you're doing a spend deal, so like the spend 20, get 5, a couple of things to remember. That try again 15 or summer 10, any of the codes that you use to take additional money off your order, those will come off that total. So if you're trying to do a spend deal, spend 20, get 5, and that coupon code drops you under the $20, you wouldn't get the $5 in Walgreens cash back. Okay, same thing with Walgreens digital coupons. So if you're doing a spend deal again, and I know a lot of people have questions about this, and you're trying to spend 20 to get $5 in Walgreens cash back, Walgreens coupons, so the one I told you about, the $3 one that comes off for both of them, that will reduce your total under that $20 spend threshold, and you wouldn't get the $5 in Walgreens cash. So make sure you're spending $20 after the Walgreens coupons come off, but before the manufacturer digital coupons come off. Hopefully that made sense. If you have questions, let me know. All right, another easy peasy deal is on this Hawaiian Tropic Lip Balm. It's $2.49. There is a $2 digital coupon, making this lip balm just 49 cents. And it has sunscreen in it, so this is something that we use a ton in the summer. So great deal on that. The Tom's of Maine, this may be the best deal this week. I don't know, I liked it. These are $4.79 each. So when you buy two, it's $9.58. There are two different digital coupons that are attaching. So the $2 off one Colgate toothpaste coupon is attaching, as well as the $2.25 off Tom's of Maine coupon is attaching. So once both of those coupons come off, you'll pay $5.33. But the deal this week on these guys is when you buy two, you're gonna get $5 in Walgreens cash. So I paid $5.33. I got $5 in Walgreens cash back, but there is also an Ibotta offer for $1 back on each of these. So I got $2 back on Ibotta, making these completely free and $1.67 moneymaker. So awesome, awesome deal on that. If you're not using Ibotta yet, grab it using my referral code. You will unlock up to $20 in welcome bonuses. So this is the only one that I'm not sure is still a deal. And I say that because I haven't been able to see the coupons anymore. But yesterday I was able to grab 3 packs of these Always Daily Liners. They're priced at $1.79 each. So buying 3 of them is $5.37. But I had 2 different coupons that were attaching to these. There was a $5 digital coupon as well as a $2 digital coupon. So when they both applied, it made all 3 of these completely free. Now I did do that as a curbside deal and I had 0 issues. The total just came out to be free. All right, so these deals here, you'll notice in the ad, there is a Colgate deal going on. Buy 2, get $4 in Walgreens cash. And these are items priced at $3.99. So I grabbed 1 mouthwash at $3.99 and I grabbed 1 of the Colgate 360 toothbrushes at $3.99. There is a $2 digital for the mouthwash. There is a $2 digital for the toothbrush. So I paid $3.98 and I got $4 in Walgreens cash back, making these items completely free. And so this was part of the spend 20, get $5 in Walgreens cash scenario, but that's already coming out to be free for these items and counting towards my spend 20, get 5. All right, these Airheads, great deal on these. This has been going on for a while. I mentioned it in my last video. These are priced at $2.29. I actually paid $2.29. I got back 2 different rebates. I got back 75 cents on Ibotta, and I got back 395 kicks on ShopKick, which is equivalent to $1.58, making this completely free and a 4-cent moneymaker. Now, ShopKick is another awesome, awesome app. If you're not already using it, grab it using my referral code. You'll get an additional 250 kicks back when you scan your first receipt. I also have a complete tutorial on how to use the ShopKick app, so you can find that linked in the video description box below. All right, so free Colgate, free Airheads. The next thing I grabbed were these Poise pads. Thankfully, my store had 2 left. They are on sale this week for $5.99. So buying 2 of them is $11.98. But there were so many coupons on these. So there was a $3 off 1 digital, a $3 off 1 digital, and then a $2 Walgreens digital. So that'll take $4 off. So that's what, $10 in coupons right there, making these $1.98 for both. But on the Ibotta app, I got back $1 for each of them, so $2 back on Ibotta, making them completely free and a 2-cent moneymaker. So you can see why I threw all of these together in my spend 20, get 5 scenario. But of course, you can work your scenarios however you want, doing the deals that make the most sense for you. The last thing that I grabbed were these Purex laundry packs. They are $5.99. They're also buy one, get one free. So I grabbed 2 for a total cost of $5.99. I had a $2 digital coupon, so $3.99 for both. But this week, when you buy 2, you get $2 in Walgreens cash back. So $1.98 for both, or just 99 cents each. So a great deal on laundry detergent. So I'm gonna be honest, Purex is not my favorite laundry detergent, but I will use this like when I wash towels, and it works just fine. All right, so for the spend 20, get 5, I purchased all of these items I just told you about. My out-of-pocket after coupons was $12.24. Now, I did not pay with Walgreens cash on these deals because it was the spend deal. So I paid $12.24. I got back $5 for spending 20 for the booster coupon. I got back the $4 in Walgreens cash for the Colgate. I got back the 75 cents and the $1.58 on Shopkick for the Airheads. I got back the $2 in Walgreens cash for the Purex. And I got back the $2 on Ibotta for the Poise, making it completely free and a $3.09 moneymaker for that transaction there. When I add everything together, it comes out to be right around a $2 moneymaker for all of it, which is fantastic. If you guys have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below. I know I skipped my Walmart Wednesday video this last week. The deals just weren't great, and so I took the week off from Walmart last week, but I will be doing a Walmart video this week, so definitely check out Wednesday's video coming up. If you're not already following me on Instagram, you can find me at Save with Christina, as well as on my Facebook page, Saving with Christina. One last thing, there were a ton of new awesome printable coupons. So I have provided a link in the video description box below, as well as on the Google document, where you can access a bunch of new printable coupons. So definitely check those out and print the coupons now, because you don't know when a deal will pop up later in the week. Hope you guys are having a wonderful start to your week. Thanks.